Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can merge two partitions on your Windows. So let me open my File Explorer first. Now to show you, I have two drives right here that I want to merge, which is the new volume D drive and the how to fix Q drive. So I want to merge these two drives by deleting the how to fix Q drive to be merged into the new volume D drive. So first things first is you need to make sure that all the data on the how to fix Q drive or the drive that you are going to delete, you need to transfer that into the drive that you're not going to delete. All the videos, pictures, files, folders of that drive that you are going to delete, make sure that you are going to transfer that into the drive that you're not going to delete. It could be in the Windows C drive or the new volume D drive. So once you have ensured on doing that, let's go quick into the process. On this PC on the left pane, make a right click and then select Show More Options. Click on Manage. Now this window will appear, the Computer Management window. Click on Storage. Then click on Disk Management. And another window will appear. Now maximize this. So here you'll find the Windows C drive, the new volume D drive, the how to fix Q drive, and the Google E drive. Now we are going to merge the new volume D drive and the how to fix Q drive. So we are going to delete the how to fix Q drive. Again, you need to make sure that all the data of the drive that you're going to delete, you have already transferred that into the drive that you're not going to delete. Make a right click and then select Delete Volume. Click on Yes. Click on Yes again. Now the partition how to fix Q simple volume is currently in use. To force the deletion of this partition, click Yes. So we have to click on Yes. And now we have this 9.77 gigabytes unallocated space, which is from the how to fix Q drive. Now how we can merge this into the new volume D drive. Make a right click on the new volume D drive and then select Extend Volume. Then this wizard will appear. To continue, you have to click Next, so click Next. You're not going to make any changes right here, just simply click on Next, then click on Finish. And now the 9.77 unallocated space, which is from the how to fix Q drive, has disappeared because it has been merged or added into the new volume D drive, which has now 9.53 gigabyte space. So that's it. That's how you can merge two drives on your Windows. So if you also want to do that in your Windows, then just follow the same process as what I've shown you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.